Good evening, everybody. My name is Shane, and today I want to talk to you about a particular pathogen known as Lyme disease. Lyme disease is caused by four main species of bacterium. These four species are known as Borrelia burgdorferi, Borrelia mayoni, Borrelia afzelia, and Borrelia garinii. Borrelia burgdorferi and Borrelia mayoni are mostly transmitted in the USA. Borrelia afzelia and Borrelia garinii are mostly transmitted in Europe and Asia. Lyme disease is transmitted to humans through black-legged ticks, also known as deer ticks. Common areas for these deer ticks would be in tall, grassy, and wooded areas. Some of the risk factors that could expose you to black-legged ticks that carry and could transmit the Lyme disease would be exposed skin and not removing ticks promptly or properly. Some of the complications, if gone untreated within 24 to 48 hours, could be chronic joint inflammation, also known as Lyme arthritis, and it is particularly in the knee. Neurological symptoms such as facial palsy and neuropathy. Cognitive defects such as impaired memory, start to lose your train of thought, memory concentration, and also heart rhythm irregularities. Some prevention measures that one person could take to prevent being bitten by a black-legged tick would be to make sure that to cover up if in forest areas, high grassy areas. Make sure that you wear pants instead of shorts, long sleeve shirts instead of t-shirts. Make sure you are wearing closed-toe shoes, no sandals or flip-flops. Use insect repellent as well. 20% or higher concentration of DEET to skin. And also, you can go as far as, if you think they're in your yard, you could tick-proof your yard. Remove any brush or leftover leaves that you have, as they like to lounge in those particular areas. And the next thing would be to basically check yourself for deer ticks. Deer ticks are typically no bigger than the end of a pin, which I'm pointing to is the ball point of the pin. They are typically the size of the tip of a pin. So that is how small they are. It could be hard to see, and they could be found in common hiding areas, not particularly open to the body. If you find any black-legged ticks on you, it is important that you remove the ticks as soon as possible with tweezers. And that concludes our session on Lyme disease. Before we go, just to recap, Lyme disease is caused by four main species of bacterium. Those four main species are Borrelia burgdorferi, Borrelia mayoni, Borrelia afzelia, and Borrelia garinii. They are commonly found in high grassy or wooded areas such as forests. They could be in your backyard if your grass is real high, if you have leaves hanging around, or if you have like a brush pile. They are most commonly found there. You can prevent yourself from black-legged ticks. Make sure that you cover up your body. Wear pants instead of shorts, long sleeve shirts instead of t-shirts. Make sure that you wear closed-toed shoes, and bug repellent, 20% of DEET to skin to prevent these black-legged ticks to get on you, or from getting on you. If you find any ticks on you, again, remove the ticks as soon as possible with tweezers. Thank you.